Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to use Sainsburys e-gift card online. So if you want to use this card, follow me in this video. This is a gift card. First step, purchase your gift card online. Choose your e-gift card from here. Choose any gift cards. After that, choose your cards and write all the delivery details. Click preview your gift card, for example, this gift card. If you want to use this one, go to sainsburys.co.uk. From here online, you can use this gift card. Just download this shop app, for example, shop app. When you download this app on Google Play, friends, you can use this gift card. For example, you have this app. If I click on this app, you can use to purchase anything. Just write your voucher, e-voucher or e-gift card from here, and then you can use to purchase anything through Sainsburys. So friends, download this app, chop, and then you can use your gift cards. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.